Hindi ka naman English sa amin, pero sige sir.
May isang lalaki tumawag eh.
Anong name sir?
Pero sabi niya kung wala nga siya, actually galing na makakagalit yung the other day.
Inverted columns.
Outdoors power. Ano yung sinip sir? E4. Ito E4 niya sir. Music model niya sir. Installation naman yan sir. Ano siya sir? Meron siya ako sir.
So guys, we're here in Abinson. It's like I'm looking for aircons right now. There, dude. We're looking for some aircons because some of them are expensive, so we might not afford them. So that's 25,000 P, which is pesos. And I wonder why is this lock? 39. This is expensive. There's the other ones. I don't want people to get. Oh my God, $28,000. I don't want it to be exposed. Right. Here's all of the rice cookers and microwaves and TVs. Dude, there's some more air conditioning. Here's the other air conditioner. It's Carrier. Right now, here's the TV. Hi guys. So guys, this is the TV. Here's the other air because this one costs almost like 31,000. It's 31,000 guys. Grabe. Ayan mga box. It's the store. There's some upstairs over there. And here's some blenders. There. This one's 10,000. Wait, I can pull it. And here's our other rice cookers. This one's big. Warm. Oh, I think this is for the like Sangyo. It's the microwaves. And some papers. Chest freezer, high freezing effective. It's nothing. Alright. So I don't know what's this. I think it's like showers. Here's the other one though. Abinson 30, almost like 31,000. Dude, why is everything so expensive? Dude.
Mas ano siya ma'am? Dapat mas mataas, mas cost efficient.
Other things.
The higher, the better.
Oh. 31,000. That's about to be like 30,000. It's almost 998. Everything's so expensive. Dude. What? Okay. The other aircons is like, okay, I don't want to expose the workers. I want to expose the workers. Okay, there's the other one there. But I'm with my grandma and grandpa. And there's another shower. The temperature, it's like ours though. So you can go like this. Select the temperature. Cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot. I'm looking at showers. I think you're supposed to click it? No. It's the cold temperature. And this is the hot temperature. And this is the shower. There's some sides. And this air conditioner.
Yun yung mga tie-up.
So we have Panasonic over there.
Pero okay naman yan si Medea, ma'am.
Pandora. Hey, I think I wanna go look at the LG.
Hindi po na.
Alright, guys, I will be teleporting and when I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're here at Panasonic.
Or basic model na
Panasonic.
series.
Now, oh, these are some like DIY stuff. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. This one, 32,000. It's like 33 already. Dude, here's some other air cons. This one costs another 998 again. 35. Man, this makes no sense, dude. No. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, now my grandma and grandpa's here. My dad is at home. This one's the other one. Wow, this one looks. I think this was like exact my aircon, but it's different though. This one's 33. Again, no, seriously. Another one. 998. They're just gonna want people money. Hiya. Okay. I think that's all. Now let's go teleport to Conjura. One, count to 3. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Now we're here on Condura. Now we're going to see of the air conditioners. Now it's this one. I don't know where's those coins. I think this is like the aircon from our school, and this one is the other one though. There's nothing else to check. Oh, there's one more. I think. Yeah, this is Carrier APCA UNAP36LCI. Alright, now let's teleport to Carrier. 3, 2, 1. Now we're here at Carrier. Alright, so here's the other Carrier things. Right now, there's also an air conditioner. Size. Guys, look at that. The Carrier signs up. This one. That one's 45,000. No, it's about to be 46. So expensive. 45. What? No, that's about to be 57. Oh my god. Alright, now we're gonna teleport LG now. 3, 2, 1. Now we're here at LG, guys. The last one. Not more actually though. This is another aircon. Dual cool. 30. No, why is everything so expensive here? Why is everything so expensive? Okay, what about this? Bring air quality to light. Speed. I can turn it on. And here's the other one. Doesn't have price though, but I think this is cool. This is it's the price. Doesn't make sense. The fan speed cool and are they? That's the dual cool. This one's 49. Oh my god. Why aircons are so expensive? Save up to 11,000. There, okay. Now we're gonna go to the condiments. We're going to Kelvin, or I think Medea. First counter. That's all. First stop for the Medea. 1, 2, 3. Oh, now we're here in Kelvination. So here are the other aircons. 6,000 to save? 31,000? No. Oh, this one's kind of cheap though. Yeah, it's 15,000, but we're not rich. This is the only thing here. Now let's go at Medea. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're here in Medea. So there's 46. Not again. No! Double the prices? What? Alright, so this is the aircon 2. And the second one, why is there only 2? Save up to 8,000. So expensive. Okay, This one is part 2. 30,000 too. Whoa, at this air conditioner. Okay, there's 3 more part of Colin. Now we're gonna go to Colin. 3, 2, 1. Now we're here in Colin. So this is the Colin full DC inverter. The aircon, it has like a little windshield something. 55. That's already 56. Why is it so expensive? This one's 34 though. It's just an inverter aircon. Energy bill, I'm going up to 60%. Save up to 8,000 again, of course. Now, for the last one, for Samsung. 3, 2. I think Samsung next. 1, 2, 3. Now we're here on Samsung. This is the Safe Air. This is 41,000. Save. So there's no save. Goes to 43% fast. Alright, this one is this thing. Okay. So that's the other one. Okay, now for the last one, Condura. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I have no time, guys, but this is all of them. 26,000. Okay, I guess that's all, guys. Also, like and subscribe to Aiden below this video, and hit the notification button if you guys also notified of the vlogs. 1, 2, 3. Peace.